Today is Thursday, January 7th, 2021. On Tuesday the 5th, we did Kumi Tachi Ikkyo, the first part, and we did it 100 repetitions. Today, we're going to take a look at the Kumi Tachi Ikkyo, the first part, with a paired practice. So you can take a look and see what it looks like. Ready, Tomoko?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. So let's sign up. Line up. Okay. You and your partner are going to take turns, and your partner is going to strike a Shomen Uchi strike. It's very important to make sure that you're striking at the head and that you're using this part of the sword to strike. So let me demonstrate that. Okay, so I'm going to strike at you, Tomoko. So from here, I start off in Chudan, sword tip to sword tip. I pull back, I step back and I go up. I push forward to kind of go into the attack. I turn my hips and I strike right there, aiming right at the head with my sword. Okay, so let me show you what's not good. It's not good to be doing this. Okay, I see a lot of people doing that. You got to make sure you're focused on the strike and your intention is to hit. Otherwise, in Aikido, we're developing something called mai. And you're developing a bad mai if your attacker is not really intentionally trying to hit you with the sword or with a punch or with a shomen or with a yokomen or whatever it is, right? Okay, Tomoko, you ready? So from here, so Tomoko, will you do a Shomen Uchi strike? So remember the move, oh, hold on a second, Tomoko. So remember the movement is from here. I turn this hand up, I push this hip forward, I turn my sword up all the way, then I push this up, pull my left foot back, and strike Shomen off of an angle. So now I'm going to do this with my paired practice. You ready, Tomoko? So you strike Shomen and go really slow. So Tomoko's coming in slow. As she's coming in, I'm turning this blade up right there. Then I'm pushing this sword up, coming back, and striking Shomen. And I should be, if Tomoko is striking at my head, I should be at this distance right here, and this sword completely misses me. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so from here, I push this sword up. As her sword's coming down, I push this leg back, and then I come down and strike. Okay? This is the Kumi Tachi Ikkyo, the first part. We generally, in Aikido, we generally do 4 times each, right? My partner strikes me 4 times, I do the technique 4 times, then I strike my partner 4 times, and she does the technique 4 times. The important thing to remember is that you are role-playing, and when you are attacking, try to keep that attack honest and sincere and on target, right? You're not doing your partner any good if your attack is off, if your attack is short, or if your attack is way too close where you're trying to strike the person with this side of this part of the sword. That's ridiculous. Okay, so Tomoko, let's do 4 each, right? So you attack me 4 times. So from here, so I push up, I push this foot back, and I strike. And I think you're a little short on the strike, right? So you're striking a little bit short, like around here. You gotta come in a little bit closer, okay? So from here, so I'll drop my sword, so you're coming in, yeah, right there, right? Okay, one more time. That's a good distance. So, ich, ni, san, right? That was 2, so back up a little bit, okay, right there. Okay, so ich, you got my head in target, ni, san, very good, Tomoko. Okay, let's do, it is scary, right? That's when you're doing it right. 1, 2, 3, right? So that's a good point. When you're doing it right, it's a little bit scary for both people because you think you're going to hit me, right? And then I think I'm going to get hit. That's when you're doing it right. Was that 4? I think that was 4. Okay. Right? Maybe that was 3.
Okay, let me do one more time.
Okay, one more. Okay. So from here, bend into it, push back and up, and then strike. Okay? Okay, Tomoko, your turn. So you do 4. So I'm going to come back, and you push into it. Okay, so you see what you did there, right? You're going to get hit, right? Now, this is good because this is very, very typical, and this is what was so hard about Aikido, right? Especially when you're doing weapons. If you move off to the line, right? Because you know, so stand right here, Tomoko. So if Tomoko is striking me, so go ahead and watch the camera. Okay, so if I do this, you see you've shifted this way already, right? So then I'll get hit when I try to do the second move. So you can't go to the side. You've got to, you're actually pushing this way. So I'm actually pushing that way. I'm not going this way, right? So go ahead and strike one more time. So from here, I'm pushing in this way, right? You see that? So when I pull back, you miss me completely, right? But if I do this, then I pull back, then you've hit me probably right on the shoulder or something like that, right? So you can't pull to the side at all.
So show me the form again. Like, sorry.
Yeah. Come over here. Come over here. Okay. So you kind of get afraid of getting hit, so you try to get out of the way. Right? So that's common, right? So the form is I push in like this. So I'm actually pushing to this side. No, you see, you went like this. You can't take that step, right? Yeah, that's it. And even churn your foot a little bit. Just churn. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So do that. Okay, now stay there. Don't fall. So now I'm coming in here. Now this is here. So extend this arm out. Extend this arm. Yeah, you're pulling it back. Pull this elbow down. Yeah, like that, right in front, like that, right in front of you, like that. Okay? Yeah. Well, it's kokyu. It's just kokyu. Yeah, like that. Okay. So bend that knee. So I'm coming here. Wait, don't move yet. Don't move. So I'm coming here and I'm striking here, right? So this is stopping my sword right there, right? Now push the left foot straight back and raise up.
Left foot
straight back. There you go. Boom. You see that? Okay. So that's
I don't go forward.
No, you just push back. Okay. That's it. Okay, you ready? Okay. Take a step forward. Yeah. Okay. So here. So push hip and take a step back. There you go. Nice. Do it again. That was 2. 3, good. There you go, good. So you see I've completely passed you. That's excellent, Tomoko. That's good. So
It's hard.
yeah, right? So guys, this is a very hard move to get. Go back to Tuesday's video, January 5th. Do it 100 times, 100 times, and 100 times. Get 10,000 reps in. But get a partner and try this with a partner. Make sure that your partner is striking at your head. You can even take your time and do this without the sword. So when you strike at my head, so I'm going to go up. I'm going to let Tomoko hit me because that's the whole point. I let her hit me. Then I push this back, and then I'm here, and I can step in, right, and strike, right? So again, I'm here. I come up. I leave this sword really low, so she's got me in her sight. She's hit me. Then I push this up, and I turn, and I strike right there. Okay, that's it. Well, congratulations, guys, if you got that with me. This was a nice little mini lesson with Tomoko. And grab a partner, grab a friend, a significant other, a brother or a sister, and put a sword in their hand and just teach them, show them that video on how to hold the samurai sword so they get that right, and then just teach them to strike at you and practice this with them in your house. This will definitely help you get better at Aikido. In a future video, I will show you exactly how this applies without the weapons. This exact same move to do Ikkyo applies without the weapons. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. I try to reply to every comment that I get. I don't get that many yet, but hopefully soon. Hopefully soon I'll be sitting there all day replying to comments, right?
That'd be nice.
Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.